Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you will never miss another upload. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a brief hair update. I'm not going to call it a relaxer update because I did not get a relaxer. I am still in the process of stretching my relaxers. So August 31st was my last relaxer that I did get. I have not got a relaxer since then, so I believe I'm a little over 5 months post relaxer, and I've been loving the stretch. I've been loving what it's been doing to my hair. My hair has been growing, it's been thriving, it hasn't been breaking off. It's just doing everything that it's supposed to do. So the things that I'm doing now are really helping me to have a better and more successful hair journey. So as you can see, my hair is very straight and silky, and had I not even came on here and said, hey everybody, I'm still stretching, I didn't get a relaxer, I don't think anybody would question my hair right now because it's very straight, very silky. New growth is laid, flattened out, so it's looking like I got my hair freshly relaxed, but I didn't. It's the same look as a relaxer, but I didn't get a relaxer. It's just basically a silk press on my hair. I went to the salon and I got a shampoo and a deep condition, a very good deep condition, because I had a lot of new growth. It was knotting up, it was getting tangled, of course, into my relaxed hair, and that line of demarcation was just like really tangled. But yeah, it's just basically silk pressed. Really good job my stylist did. So I mean, it looks just like a relaxer, and I love the stretching. The stretching is going very well. It's been taking a little bit of time for me to get used to the two different textures, but once I got everything down, everything just went smoothly. Basically just spraying my new growth every day with my Allerganics leave-in conditioner. That is like my holy grail for my new growth. I just spray that in and it just makes it so manageable and so hydrated. And then just keeping my hair protected, not manipulating it a lot. I've been wearing my wigs to work. When I'm not wearing wigs, I will just do my buns. And basically I'm just deciding that getting a relaxer every 10 weeks just is not working for me. I've, over the years, always see breakage in my hair, and I feel like that has a lot to do with the fact that I've been relaxing my hair every 10 weeks for the past 30 years. I mean, after so long, that just takes a toll on the health of your hair. And over time I'm realizing that the breakage that I've experienced, the setbacks, all had to do with the fact that I've been just putting too much chemicals in my hair, too much heat. I need to lay off, I need to take a step back. So that's what I've been doing. So I have not gotten a relaxer since August 31st, and I have not, this is my first time putting heat on my hair in 2.5 months. So if I can just keep doing what I'm doing, I will have way more success than I've had in the past. Okay, so my last trim was about 4 months ago, and my hair just looks so nice. I was looking at my ends and I just need a dusting. It's not even horrendous like it usually is, because right around March of every year my hair will break off so bad, and it's almost March and my hair is just so nice, and the ends are good. So my hair just looks like it grown so much since I got my cut, which was about 4 months ago, and I think she cut at least 2 inches off. But I mean, it looks really good to me. Like my ends, I'm not experiencing any breakage, no nothing. Yeah, but I really can't say when my next relaxer is going to be. I'm just going to stretch for a while and just go with the motions, take everything day by day. So I don't know when I'm going to relax again. I'm just going to continue to stretch. Just wanted to come on here and do a little update, and if anybody has any questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.